This is Sotally Tober, and I'm Haybale, and we're making balloon animals. This freaking nose. Balloon animals. I touched my finger to the hot glass. Motherfucker. I'm gonna teach you how to make some basic twists. So for a basic twist, you want to grip it on both sides. Wait, hold on, no. You want to do it starting from the nipple end, because when you twist, you want to make it a grower, not a shower. So we do not just one twist, you gotta crank that sucker 4 times at least. The next twist we have is the lock twist. So we're gonna hold this one, we're gonna make another basic twist, and one more. Nunchucks. Take the first twist and the third twist and put them together. Look at that. Lock twist. Lock, lock. Lock twist. The next one is a fold twist. It may seem similar, but it is not. You make another basic twist, and then you can find the nipple-y part, and you toss that in. Fold twist. And big dick. Happy ho. I think it tastes better out of the middle. For our first animal, it's a swan. It usually doesn't take this long. Is it going faster that way? Oh, fuck. Is it getting bigger or is it getting smaller? I think I'm getting smaller. Oh, okay, we're just gonna tie it up. We're gonna make a tiny swan. Oh, fuck. Back to step 1. 1 basic twist to 2 basic twists. And then looks like I gotta make the fuck? That doesn't even make fucking sense. Okay, it looks like I take 1.1 to here. Oh, I think I'm going somewhere. Make whatever that, what was it, loop twist? And then we're gonna take 2, no, what? They have 1 extra, bro. Okay, they're showing me like I could bring this around and there's still gonna be a fucking balloon that this is. Is there 2 balloons in this? Maybe it's like I gotta double back this. I gotta go tiny. I feel like it's gonna pop. And swan? I'm gonna make a sausage dog. I'm gonna make a tiny sausage dog. I can't grip it around.
Oh.
I think I gotta maybe like stretch out the balloon maybe.
Oh yeah.
Let's unwind this yellow thing. How did we make that? Oh, no. I made this? It kind of looks like the front of the dog, right? So let's just continue. Let's make a small tiny neck, like a little sausage. And then it looks like I just make a fuck ton of sausages after this. Like lots. I think it might be too tiny. We'll go for it. And then we gotta make one more. I gotta join those together. Oh gosh. I think, okay, I'm not gonna touch that part anymore. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna make it. Oh, I probably should have rolled it to my ear. Oh god. I gotta make it. Next up, we're making a fish with not just one, not that color, with 2 balloons. Okay. Oh no! Okay, we're just gonna make small animals today. Oh, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm really bad at this. Maybe if I pull it over down tighter? Tighter. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Figured it out. Okay, we're just... Oh no! No! Okay. How do you get this to blow up at the end? Is there a technique? Guess it's not in the rule book. I'm so weak. I can have carpal tunnel. You think I'm kidding? This is so... the 100th time I've tried to blow up a balloon with this freaking hand pump. Oh, I don't think it's long enough. I don't know if I can tie that off. It's not as long, but we'll make it work. Really tiny fish. Why does it feel like it's already gonna explode? Like, why doesn't it just understand? It should just inflate. Here, you see? There. You need to be there. Air, there. Okay, here we go. 1. Turn. Another mini turn. Right. Ready for this? It's like that. And then there's another balloon. I'm supposed to make its fins. Okay, so it's like, I made too many folds. It's supposed to have a mouth, which I think is these. This has gotta be the middle somehow. I think, oh yeah, there we go. Boom. And it's got one twist in the middle, and it just, you know, it's cute. It's supposed to be a fish somehow. It's got a tail. I think these are the fins somehow. They're supposed to go like across the middle. Oh, yeah, like, yeah. A jellyfish, I guess. I'm gonna make a monkey. Someone blew it up for me. Look at it. It's just like got like that much. It looks just like the picture. I guess like this is its little nose. Okay. It's got it cute. Oh wait, the next one's got to be even smaller. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. I guess like 2 is enough. I think they're trying to make it explode on me. It's so loud. How does it get arms? Oh god. We're almost there. We gotta make you some legs. Look at this. And I still got room. I'm crushing this balloon. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, cool. It's a turtle. Thank you, and see you later. Wow, this is like a tough balloon. Like, how do all mine pop? How do all of mine pop? Yeah. See you later. I honestly forgot what we're doing right now. Are we? We're recording. This is Totally Tober. That was. Did I say it the right way? Totally Tober. Are you sure? I think I'm dyslexic because I thought I said I'm not sober. I'm the sober one, but I'm not the sober one. Totally Tober.